Okay mga ka-TH, EMF radar live scanning. Okay, this is our test hole, 1.1 meter depth, no target. Base config 2518, 2536, no target. No target, reading is 2509, 2509, no target. No target, 2518, 2509. Okay, that's the no target. Let's try to put the object. First, ammunition box at 1.1 meter. Okay, base reading is 2509, 2509, no target, base reading 2509. With ammunition box 2446, 2491. With ammunition box 2446, no target, 2579, no target, 2575, no target. With ammunition box 2464, 2446, 2409. So that's with the object ammunition box. Next, metal tin can. Metal tin can. No target, 2518, 2518, no target. With target 2437, 2464, metal tin case. 2491, 2473, 2464. Without target 2584, 2579. Without target. With target 2446, 2464. Metal tin case 2464.
Okay, let's analyze the previous video. So in this hole, I put the metal tin case, and on this hole there's no target, And on this position, currently the reading is in the range of 2500. So no target. And let's check if we are above the target, the 2500 reading will change. Okay, play. Okay, we are above the target, and now the value from 2500 changed to 2400 range. Okay, let's check if by passing the target, this value will change back to the 2500 reading. Okay, still above the target. Okay, now after bypassing the target, the value is 2500. And if we are above the target, the reading is 2400. So take note that if we are above the target, the reading is 2400. Um, the value fluctuates, but it almost stays at the 2400 or in the 2400 range. So let's check again if the 2400 is almost stays at that range. Okay, above the target, so this should remain or almost stays at 2400 range. Play. Okay, we can confirm that the target is detected. And just one last note, use the real-time scanning mode if you can still interpret the values. Um, if not, then you can use the ground scanning mode. So ground scanning mode, it can automatically convert the values into 2D or 3D with colors. So it is much more easy to interpret than if the numbers are too close, like in the real-time scanning mode. So, yep, that's all, and thanks for watching.